Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today this video tutorial I'm going to review these Tagry earbuds. I'm going to review today and see how great these earbuds are. These are budget earbuds, not more than $35. These earbuds can play 6 hours with one charge, and also these earbuds are waterproof, and also there is a small screen that it shows you how percent earbuds are charged. So let's go directly, unbox it and see all the features in these earbuds. So here we are. I have here on my table Tagry X08 true wireless earbuds. So these are amazing. So first of all, let's see. Transmission range is 33 feet with no obstacles. These earbuds have also waterproof level IPX5. That's great, guys. Music playtime around 6 hours on a single full charge. Support system device iOS, Android and Windows. We have here standby time 3 days, 60 hours, near to 3 days, okay? So let me open up the box right now. Okay, here it is. I'm going to open up this. We have the manual here. And here it is, the AirPods. Let's remove this. And these are black. I like this black color, okay? And what we have here, we have USB-C cable. So charging cable, USB-C. Here in the plastic we have all the tips with different sizes, small, large and extra large, I think. Yes. So let's open up the box and see the number here, 98. This is the small screen that it shows you that earpods are in charge mode. This, guys, is really cool feature. Look at this. It's charging both earpods left and right. Nice. So I'm going to open up the box and see how this looks. Look at this, guys. This is really easy to open up, okay? And then let's remove the one and the other one here. So these black earpods, look at this, left and right. Look, the design is cool. I like this. Look at this color. It's waiting for pairing. Blue and red. They are trying to find an iPhone or a mobile. There are 2 pins for charging down there. This place here is touching area. You can click here to change the song or play the music on your iPhone or on your Android phone. This area is with touch screen. The same thing here. In the right one, you will see that left and right are the same, exactly the same. Okay, I will bring it here back. These budget earbuds, Tagry X08, are not more than $35, but it looks cool on design. And look at this, it's charging earbuds inside, and it shows you which one it will be charged faster. I'm going to test now if we are capable to charge this using Wi-Fi charger. Let me bring Wi-Fi charger here. So here on the Wi-Fi charger, you see that this box supports Wi-Fi charging. You see the number that is moving, 98. It will come up to 99 and 100%. So this earbud supports Wi-Fi charging. So now I'm going to do something else. Now we'll see how heavy these earbuds are. If you let both earbuds inside the box, and you will see that these are not more than 45 grams. These iPhone earpods are heavier. Look at this, guys. Let's see how heavy is just one earpod. You see? And let's bring it together. And these are not more than 7.9 grams. So now let's test Apple AirPods. One is 5.4 grams. And both are 10.8 grams. So now I'm going to show you how to connect on your iPhone or on your Android phone. And then let's see the sound quality and everything, okay? So first thing, let's bring the earbuds here in their own box. And I will try to connect now with my iPhone, okay? Open up your Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is on. To connect the earbuds with iPhone, you only have to open up the lid of the charging box, and what you gotta do, go to Bluetooth and search for device, okay? Then you will see that X08 is listed here. You see? And now I just connect it. to connect your earbuds with your iPhone, you don't have to remove it from the case. Just open up the lid and that's it. If you want to turn off this device, just put it here on the ear case and then close the box. And you see, now it's disconnected. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test and play some music here and hear the sound quality, okay? Okay, here we are. Let me put the earbuds here on my ear. I just put both of these earpods. If you touch once, it will stop the music. Look, if you click once, again, start music again. What I'm going to do, just tap once. So as you see, I'm going to open up Spotify here. I will play some music here on Spotify and then click play. Here it is. Let me explain now how these earbuds work. These are with a touch sensor. It's the same in both earbuds, okay? If you click once, you will play the music, and if you click again, you will stop the music, okay? It will be the same if you click on the left or if you click on the right, okay? If you want to hear next music, what you have to do, you just double tap on the right. It will play directly next song. Let me try. You see? But if we double tap on the left one, it will play the previous song. Let me show you right now, okay? Here it is. Let's say you like the song and you want more volume on your earbuds. So what you have to do to put some more volume, sure, you can put volume from here, from your volume up and volume down here directly on your iPhone or Android. But if you wanted to put some more volume directly from your earbuds, long press on the right one, okay? It will put more volume. Let's see. Yes. You see? So now the volume is too loud for me. So what I'm going to do, I will long press in the other one here. With this control, you can put volume down, okay? If you wanted to activate Siri, just triple tap, okay? 1, 2, 3. You will see Siri here. Okay, thank you, Siri. I'm going to hear some deep house music and I wanted to see the quality of the sound. They are full of bass, okay? I like the bass here. What I see on these earbuds is that the volume is not limited. You can put as much as you want, okay? Let me show you right now. I'm going to put volume on the max. You see? It's dangerous for your ears. I can't hear anything outside. So this is interesting, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, just write me comment on the comment area and let me know what do you think about this X08 earbuds, okay? Let me know if you already have it and if you had any difficulties or something, just write me comment on the comment area and I will respond to you. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.